When it comes to proper watering, using the best product for the job will not only keep your plants thriving, but you'll use a lot less water in the process. In this video, I'm going to walk you through all the best choices to water the various plants in your entire landscape and garden. When watering any plant, a good rule of thumb is to water deeply but gently. That way, as the water is released, the roots have time to take it up before it either washes away or washes past the roots, plus you eliminate the risk of any erosion or runoff. Now, when you have plants that are in a straight line, very common in a vegetable or flower bed, a great application is drip emitter tubing. The emitters are built into the tubes at fixed intervals, and the water is released so slowly that the roots have plenty of time to take it up without oversaturating the soil. Plus, you do eliminate that risk of runoff and erosion. Emitter tubing is also ideal for larger shrubs and trees. You can encircle the root zone once or more to ensure sufficient coverage out to the drip line. For bedding shrubs or containers, drip emitters connected to supply tubing allows you to locate each emitter exactly where you want to deliver water. And depending on the emitter output option selected, you can specify how much water you want delivered, as measured in gallons per hour. So no matter what you're growing in your landscape or garden, drip irrigation is the most efficient way to make sure the soil stays sufficiently moist without getting overly wet. The plants have all the time to take up the water they need, and there's no runoff to erosion or evaporation, so no wasted water either.